We're going to win you those prizes right now. You can win by playing Panic Button. Come with me. We go stand right here. Welcome to the Panic Button set. Now, one at a time, you'll each pick a button. You see 6 buttons here, so you'll each pick a button. You go back and forth. 3 of these buttons do absolutely nothing, and that's a good thing. Because right now, you have all 3 of these prizes. You've got the suit, you've got the clothes, you're going to sing Lucia. But, so if you hear this sound effect, that's a good thing. It means nothing's close. But if you hear this sound effect, that's bad. It means that you've lost one of the prizes. You have to hit 3 buttons. Whatever's left at the end of 3 buttons being hit, that's yours to take home. First button, who's picking?
Oh my goodness.
You're gonna say it first, then hit it.
Okay. I'm gonna go with 4. 4.
That was such a daisy hit. It was so sweet, Crystal. Okay, good job. Timothy.
Yes. I'm gonna hit number 1.
You're gonna hit number 1. Oh, what? Oh, St. Lucia has now gone bye-bye. Timothy, it's okay. It's okay. You still have the shopping spree and the scooter. Crystal.
Okay.
This is the last button. Whatever's left, that's what you get.
Okay. What do you think?
Whatever you feel, baby.
I'm gonna go with 6.
I think you just lost a scooter. Okay, so the good news is you do have the $5,000 shopping scooter Nordstrom. That's great. That's great. Now I've got one more deal for you. I've got 2 more buttons. Here they go. One button will open the other 2 curtains again. That's great. And then you'll have everything back. It'll be like a time machine.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. But the other button will close the 1 curtain you have, taking everything away. But here's the thing. If you pick the correct button that opens up the other 2 curtains, giving you all 3 prizes, I'll also throw in $1,000. So, keep your shopping spree and leave, or keep going?
You wanna go for it? Let's go for it.
I don't want to lose that.
I know. Let's go for it.
Okay.
She just said, I don't want to lose that. I know. Let's go for it.
It's a Jedi mind trick.
Man. So, Crystal, what do you want?
Well, the shopping spree sounds fantastic.
And Timothy, what are you thinking?
I want to go for it.
Well, why don't the 2 of you look at each other? Don't look at me, because I'm not married to you. Yet. But soon.
If you want to go for it, we'll go for it.
Let's go for it.
Okay. We'll go for it.
She was very accommodating.
I appreciate that too.
It's a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity, so let's do it.
Yeah.
A or B?
You want to do A?
Let's do A.
A it is. Okay.
You got it. You got it. It paid off. Girl, you got the scooter, the shopping spree, the trip to St. Lucia, plus $4,000. In total, over $17,000. That's a great way to get the show started off. Congratulations. Good job, Timothy. Thank you, Crystal. Well, let's make a deal right after this.